Alright guys, so yesterday I drove to the car wash and this is what happened. Before doing anything today, I'm gonna give a quick wash to my van to check all the windows and see if there's any leaks. So today I want to try to fix the leak on my window. I'm gonna film here. So today I want to try to fix the leak on my window, and I'm pretty nervous about it because I know it's not an easy process, but I have to do it. So for that I bought some gloves and some Goo Gone. I saw a video, the person used it and it seems pretty efficient, so let's do it. I'm gonna use my phone as a microphone because it's really windy today. But anyway, a gun. I don't know how you call it, but I will call it a gun. Yeah, it's a gun. So up, adhesive sealant. Alright, as you saw, the leak is coming from here. You can see it's, and I need to remove these 4 screws or bolts. I will try to keep the window stable with that. Alright, and this is what I'm gonna use to remove the bolts. It's number 9. Let's go. Okay, so this was easier than I thought.
What a bunch of fucking bullshit.
I'm gonna have to remove all this and here's the window. Alright, cool, let's do it. Oh, also I got this plastic tool that I'm gonna be using, but you can use a razor. I just didn't want to scratch the paint. This is how it looks like right now. Pretty clean. Okay, so technically the way it works is that you have to spray some Goo Gone on the spacer and the sealant. It dissolves the sealant and you can remove it with your plastic tool, but it's only technically. The thing is, the old sealant is really sticky and the Goo Gone is really oily, and when they mix together it's a whole mess. You see the old sealant melts. It becomes so soft that it's almost liquid, so you will need to get a lot of gloves. By the way, you shouldn't use this type of gloves. Don't use the latest gloves, just use disposable plastic gloves. I found out they works better. The sealant won't stick on it, so at this point I already gave up in my head because I ran out of gloves and towel I had no water, nothing to wash my hand. I was just trying to clean as much as I could to head back home. Alright, now I'm home, so I got myself a bucket of hot water, and I've been able to really deep clean the window. So for that I used the Goo Gone, some Windex and towel, dish soap, and the paper towel. Alright, I'm done. I cleaned as much as I could. Obviously it's not perfect, but it will do. I broke the spacer. Try to not break it, obviously, but I just bought some glue. It should be fine. So the idea is to put some sealant and flip it to the window. Put the 4 bolts that I have right here. Then put some sealant again, and then put it on the fan. So I clean once again the door. Now I need to get this part and this one. I did the first step, which is the sealant on the window and the spacer. I put the 4 bolts back in place. I put some extra sealant right here because that's where the leak came from. Now I'm gonna have to put some sealant right here all the way around. Alright, now I put the window back. It's a 2-man's job, so I asked somebody to help me. I'm gonna let it dry overnight and do a little test tomorrow to see if I did a good job or not. Alright, got some water. Alright, let's do it. Huh.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Alright. You see, this one is not good. It was like that originally, but hopefully it stopped the water. Doesn't work. It's even worse than before. Alright, so now what I did is I put some sealant inside the door on the top where the leak were coming from, and I put some sealant outside between the window and the door, and that's it. That's all I'm gonna do. Alright, I did a good job, that's for sure, 100%. It's just that the spacer that I have is twisted on the top. It was like that when I bought it. I thought I could fix it, but the best thing for you to do is to follow everything that I did. Just buy a new spacer. It costs $25. I didn't want to pay $25. I don't know why. I was like, I'm gonna do it myself, but I should have bought it. Now I'm not gonna do it again, because if you have watched the video, you will understand that I will not work on the window again anymore. I still have 2 small windows to do, but I won't do it like that. Anyway, oh, and by the way, the 2 big leaks that I had on the large windows, it was just because all the bolts was loose. So I just tied them back, and the leak was fixed. So thank you for watching the video. I hope it will help you. And also I just wanted to mention that it took me forever to make this video, because before I start working on it, I've been looking for a garage that fix windows, and I did like probably 20 around my place, and none of them wanted to work on the window. That's to let you know how annoying it is. I hope you will have more luck with yours, and subscribe
Thank you for all my new subscribers. Almost 90 now, so which is good. And hopefully we will reach 100 soon. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Stay positive always. Peace.